ang House Resolution number 809 kung saan ay ina-urge natin ang House of Representatives na i-push na mag-rejoin ang gobyerno ng Republika ng Pilipinas sa International Criminal Court.
This is the reason why the ICC has been described as an emergency court or a court of last resort.